What's up, guys? Got
What's
Mr.
going
Josh
on?
Wynn right here with me. Day number 2. Love my clean roofs. About, what do you think, Josh? How high are we?
50 feet.
About 50 feet in the air. I think we still got another 10 feet to go. Check this out, man. This is today's view right here. Look at this. Man, dude, this is a beautiful house right here, guys. Look at that, dude. I mean, you can't see the pool back there, but we're gonna be going swimming in here pretty soon. Today's nugget, dude, let me tell y'all something. I was talking to someone here the other day, and they were talking about how they were trying to say how we're killing it and the reasons why we're killing it. And one guy said we have investors backing us up. Another guy says that we're a franchise. Another guy says we've been in business for 10 years and all this other stuff. It's like, man, that's pretty cool, dude. Look at that. Check that out, man. We're 2 years in business, no investors, no loans taken out, and dude, we're just the nugget for you guys today is if you're a small business. I have a small business. We don't have very many people working for us, man. It's this dude here and 2 other guys, and dude, this small tiny business is a dynamite. Would you say that, Josh? I mean,
Dynamite.
Dude, this month we'll probably get close between $30,000 to $40,000. I don't say that to impress you. I say that to impress upon you that if you have a small business, it can be a dynamite. Don't think that you need an office. Don't think you need 10 vehicles on the road. Don't think that you need all this stuff to achieve success and happiness and everything that you're going to do to be happy, guys. You can do it with just a one-man show. You can do it with one employee. Dude, it doesn't take very much, man, to just completely... What's up, man? Yeah.
Just me and you.
What'd you say? Tell him what you said, Josh.
This year there was 1 month where it was just me and Chris working the whole month, and me and Chris did $20,000 between the 2 of us in one van. It's possible.
And I think we missed 12 days that month because of the rain, if I'm not mistaken. We missed 12 days of work that month because of the rain. And dude, you don't have to have don't let anybody fool you, man. You guys, y'all can crush it, man. Don't let anybody talk you out of it. Don't let anybody talk you down. You just got to do a good job. Do what you're going to say you're going to do, and be consistent. And you know, dude, this one job right here, guys, this is a $2,800 roof. It's actually $3,800, but this lift right here cost us about $1,000 to rent it for the day. So we're at $2,800. It'll probably take us, I don't know, 6 hours to wash the roof, and then we're gonna go swimming down there in that pool down there. And we'll be actually, the customer's gonna allow us to sleep here tonight because we're gonna wake up and wash the windows for him in the morning. So it's gonna be even bigger job than that. Keep at it, guys. Don't give up. Josh, this is a good payday for this dude.
Yes,
I mean, he's gonna be making some big money on this job. Take care of your guys, create a culture, and everything will come together for you guys. Don't give up, though. That's the nugget for the day. You don't need a whole lot. You don't need a huge business to make a whole lot of money, guys. You just need to do a good job, do what you say you're going to do, and some loyal customers. So, hey, see you guys tomorrow, man. We're not going to be doing live again today. We're out in the middle of nowhere. I'm really surprised we're getting any connection out here at all. I think it's because we're 60 feet in the air that we're getting any connections.